Number 1190 X-ray, report final number 09 number 1.
Report final 09 number 1 on 196. X-ray turning final 09.
Number 90 X-ray from 09 cleared to land, surface wind 110 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear land, copy the wind.
Minimums.
Number 90 X-ray, vacate left at Foxtrot, contact Liverpool grounds 121.955.
Vacate Foxtrot and on to ground, 196 X-ray.
State altitude less than 1 mile.
Ground level 190 X-ray is just vacated at Foxtrot, request taxi every minute.
November 1190 X-ray Liverpool ground, good afternoon, taxi 2 kilo.
Taxi 2 kilo.
Ground number 4460 Echo.
November 4460 Echo, Liverpool ground, pass your message.
Okay, 32 kilo, request taxi BFR Blackpool.
November 4460 Echo, hold on kilo, after departure, leave the control zone via Kirby, not above altitude 1,500 feet, VFR, squawk 5050.
5050, hold position, leaving Kirby, not above 1,500 feet, VFR 4460 Echo.
November 60 Echo, correct. Give way to the Agusta 109 helicopter inbound 2 kilos, then taxi hold point to Echo, runway 09, QNH 1027.
Echo 09, 1027, give way to the incoming helicopter, 40 Echo.
So I'm just going to hold on the grass for a minute because it's a little bit congested here. I see the ground crews rushing out.
Number 60 Echo.
Uh, 46, are we okay to taxi now? 46 Echo. Ground of the 4460 Echo.
Number 460 Echo A7. Looks like that helicopter's just crossing the grass now.
Rotor.